The Minnesota State Fair marks the unofficial kickoff of the fall election campaigns. The race for the state's top public office is one of the most high-profile races. Both Governor Mark Dayton and his Republican challenger Jeff Johnson are making their case in person with fairgoers. Here's Esme Murphy with tonight's talking points.
Amidst the food, the rides, and the fun at the Minnesota State Fair, there is also politics. Candidates are drawn here by one simple fact. With an average of 1.7 million people coming to the fair each year in a state with just over 5 million people, this is where the voters are. The race for governor has seen both candidates hit the fair hard. Governor Mark Dayton's campaign theme is simple. He says Minnesota is better off than it was 4 years ago when he took office. Dayton points to Minnesota's unemployment rate at 4.5% as one of the lowest in the nation. Challenger Jeff Johnson insists the state's economic growth is being held back by the governor's policies, especially when it comes to taxes. Both Governor Dayton and Jeff Johnson appeared on WCCO Sunday morning at the Minnesota State Fair.
Well, I campaigned 4 years ago as mayor, promising a better Minnesota, and there's no question in my mind that we're a better state than we were then. We have 150,000 more jobs. We have a GDP growth is one of the best in the nation.
To suggest that everything is perfect, everything is rosy, everybody's doing great in Minnesota is a little out of touch. And I say that based upon talking to Minnesotans all over the state the last year and a half almost, and even just the last few days at the state fair booth.
When he won the Republican primary earlier this month, Jeff Johnson acknowledged that Governor Dayton is, quote, a fairly popular incumbent, and a lot of people say it's going to be really hard to beat him. And while Johnson insists he can win, most political analysts agree he will have an uphill fight.
You can watch WCCO Sunday Morning with Esme Murphy every Sunday at 6 a.m. and 10:30 a.m.